saying, you can hear sticks cracking, snapping, all through here. You could hear more than two people, for sure. The sensor light that's on ground level, I heard somebody hit that chain link fence, and all of a sudden, the sensor light went out. Could it have been an animal? Could have. But why would anybody be just hanging out? Why would anybody go, shh? I mean, it makes me suspicious when I'm standing in the road here 2 nights ago talking to someone, and my laser pointer, you see that phone pole right there? You see a green laser pointer get shot into the air. And yet, my green laser pointer is missing. I don't take them out. But I figured I would make this one because it's daytime and you couldn't see the other one because it's pretty dark. But at 2 o'clock in the morning and you don't hear the ambient noise of the daytime, it's pitch quiet, you're gonna hear people cough. The car could have been in that driveway to that empty house. It could have been on the corner of that street. The car did pull off out of here, and it hit the pothole where they did work the other day because it bottomed out. Now, I mean, if I want to sit here and if I'm gonna sit here in jeans and a bathrobe and a long sleeve shirt and watch YouTube, I shouldn't have to worry about things missing. Doesn't matter where I'm at. I mean, that's a little ridiculous. Now, like I said before, and there's another woman on YouTube saying the same shit that I be saying, and I have no clue who she is. Never seen her, never met her, and hell, I think I've been saying it before her, but I don't know. Who would be willing to take a polygraph test in front of the Supreme Court? No one. Not if they were lying. You cannot pull that off. I don't care how good you are. And I used to sleep in a tent. Last summer, I slept in a tent for 2 months. And I've slept here in a tent for a week at a time. Never. No problems. Never had any problems. Never. Now, all of a sudden, problems? Why? Why all of a sudden? Why all of a sudden are there people congregating over here? It doesn't make sense to me. Why does it sound like somebody walks down the bush line on the against the fence. I mean, you can hear the shit cracking and snapping. Or the holly tree straight through, right there. You hear limbs cracking and snapping. Shouldn't be that way.